If those one Nigerianist people come to discourage you, tell you, why do you think this your Biafra? Say, una go cry, leave this Biafra self, una no go get am. Tell them that you are not going to try to leave this Biafra, that you are going to get this Biafra now. Now, if they continue to press, tell them, because you have seen different countries who tried different things, stayed even longer than Biafra have stayed in their own freedom pursuit, and they eventually got it when they took the right step. That there are countries that took different steps in the past, that were doing one thing in the past, and some of them lasted for almost 70 years, some 62 years. They did one thing, doing one thing over and over, that until they came to change gear, they took it by force, and it worked. And ask them if they now want to tell you, oh, is it something that they started like Hope Uzodinma told you? That what Ojukwu started did not finish, or Wazirika continued and did not get head. Now he won't come get. Tell that person that we are no more with Ojukwu. Ojukwu did what he could do within his time, and what happened. That this time, there are a new breed of people, that somebody different is in charge. And tell that person that many things are now playing out for our favor. If they ask you, since you keep doing this Biafra, you have not gotten it, ask them, since we're doing one Nigeria, every 4 years we keep voting, like one of the commenters on Channel TV or Rice TV was saying, that we are just practicing votocracy or something, where we just come. I think that should be one of Nnamdi Kanu's legal, I think that's Market Economy also. What we're just practicing is a system where just every 4 years we come to vote, where our votes are very useless. Those people that have been designed by the Western forces and the internal kingmakers to be the leaders to emerge will eventually emerge. And so, in a country where you cannot decide who becomes your leader, why do you keep expecting that miracle will happen and you get the dividends of democracy? Of course, they are not products of democracy. So why are you expecting to get something from where you did not sow? Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu told you, go grab it, take it by force. And he took it by force. And at the end of the day, he told you, go to court. And you went to court. This is more appalling, where you can see that even the security architecture of the state has been compromised. When you see the judiciary, that is the last hope of the common man, is compromised. This is a situation where even some of the politicians who think they are one of the best are crying. All the people, I don't want to keep mentioning, go and listen. No. All the people who, if you are following the trend of things, you watch Arise TV, Channels TV, and all the other televisions, AIT, you can see that people who are coming to discuss are telling you that the center is not holding. Now, the problem is not that it's not holding now. The problem is there any hope of the center holding in the future? And the answer is no. Then if the answer is no, why are you fighting to keep what is not existing? Why are you fighting to defend what is not defendable? Why are you fighting, cracking your brain so much to make excuse for people? Bola Ahmed Tinubu came to power. He told you he's not coming to blame or blame game. That he is hitting the ground running from the very first day in office. And eventually, he hit the ground running. If you remember, from the day Tinubu took off out of allegiance, out of office, that was when another improved level of impoverishment started in Nigeria. From that very day, it might not be because he wants to impoverish Nigerians. No, it's because the system, like Dele Farotimi and the rest of other commenters who came to Nigerian national televisions to comment, just said that it's not designed for Nigerian people. So if Nigeria is not designed for Nigerian people, why do you want to keep defending it? Defending that place that is not designed for you. Okay, that is not even where we are going. We had our own very person, Maazi Chinasa Nworu. I will play